Let's take a walk out into the two-car garage. Does have a painted cement floor. Very clean home. Welcome, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Alhambra in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom ranch-style home. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome, friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. We are doing another open house tour today here in the village of Alhambra in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home located here north of County Road 466. The front of this home does face east and the back of the home faces west. I will start, friends, by giving you a panoramic view of the street. That is your view of the street facing south, and this is the view of the street facing north. It is in a quiet neighborhood. It does have a wonderful shade tree in the front. As I walk up to this home, friends, I do notice that it has a painted driveway. It has a 2-car garage. It is on a corner lot, very nice large corner lot as well. The list price of this home, friends, is $349,900. There is your 2-car garage. It does have windows in the garage door, and the painted sidewalk continues to the front of this house as well. As always, friends, please contact the listing agent, Chris Day, with Worth Clark Realty if you have any questions. It does have a screened-in front porch area as well. That is a very nice feature to have. It keeps the insects away from your home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here we are in the screened-in front porch area. It does have those same painted concrete floors. Very nice, very large area. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look.
Hey, Tim.
Hello, Chris. Can you tell us a little bit about the home?
Yes, so this is the ever-popular Amarillo floor plan. When it has the Florida room, it's either the Amarillo US or Amarillo USA. This is the Amarillo US, which signifies a 12x9 Florida room. This has engineered hardwood floors, which is very unique. You don't see many properties with real hardwood floors. The roof and HVAC are both from 2019, and then the kitchen has brand new, never used stainless steel. So, Tim, take a look.
Okay, thank you, Chris. I do appreciate it. As always, friends, if you do have more questions about this home, please contact Chris Day, the listing agent with Worth Clark Realty. The first thing I noticed, friends, standing here in the foyer area is this beautiful engineered hardwood floor that's throughout. This is your living area of this home. It also has very high acoustic textured ceilings. You do have in-ceiling stereo speakers as well. There's one, there's the other one. Off to the right, friends, you do have a kitchen with a laminate countertop, and I will video the specification sheet so you have the particulars of this home. The kitchen does have a tile floor. As Chris mentioned, it does have new appliances or newer appliances. It does have raised panel white cabinets as well. It does have a 2-bowl stainless sink, and it has an electric range as well. This home is very neat and clean. It shows very well. I will video the specification sheet right now to give you an idea of the particulars of this home. This home is located at 1702 Gomez Place in the Villages, Florida. List price, $349,900. It is in the village of Alhambra. This is going to be about a 15 or 20-minute golf cart ride to Lake Sumter Square. Feel free, friends, to pause the video at any point to update yourself on the particulars. There is the rest of the specification sheet, friends. I will continue to go through the rest of this home and show you that. I will go out into the backyard as well. Let's take a walk out into the primary bedroom area. The primary bedroom does have tile floors, very large window, acoustic textured ceiling as well. I will spin around and show you. This is the primary bedroom. It does have a walk-in closet with carpeted floors. This is the primary bathroom. It has a very large, what appears to be a 48-inch shower. It has Formica countertops. It has one sink in it as well. This bathroom does have vinyl floors. It has raised panel white cabinets. It does have a very large, what appears to be a 48-inch shower. Let's take a look at that shower. That shower is a tile shower, very neutral tile surround and floor. This home, friends, does have a split bedroom design. You do have guest bedrooms on the opposite side of the home. This is your primary bedroom closet. Very deep closet, wire rack shelf, carpeted floors. Let's take a walk. This is the laundry area. That door will lead into the garage. The laundry area does have vinyl floors as well. The mechanicals are located in the laundry area. Let's take a walk out into the two-car garage. Does have a painted cement floor. Very clean home. You can see the garage door has windows in it. That is the hot water heater in the corner of the garage, friends. This home does have a roof that was installed in 2019, an HVAC system that was installed in 2019 as well. There's your HVAC system there. And the hot water heater, friends, in the corner, that was also installed in 2019. Let's take a walk through the rest of this home and see what it has to offer. This is the laundry room right here. It does have a wire rack shelf above the washer and dryer. This is another angle of your kitchen. Let's take a walk into the opposite side of the home. This is where the guest quarter is. You can see that beautiful engineered hardwood floor does continue into the hallway. Off to the back of the home is a guest bedroom with the engineered hardwood floors. Very nice. It does have 6-panel doors, sliding doors on the closet. Let's see what the closet looks like inside. That is your closet. It has a wire rack shelf. You can see the engineered floors are in that closet as well. Here is your guest bathroom. It does have vinyl floors. It has white cabinets with one sink, Formica countertop, acoustic textured ceilings, the tub and shower surround. That shower surround is tiled. To give you an idea, friends, very neutrally colored home. Very nice. Here we are walking into the guest bedroom that's located in the front of the home. I will walk into the corner to show you what this guest bedroom looks like. Has the engineered hardwood floors, acoustic textured ceilings, 6-panel doors, sliding doors on the closet. Let's take a look at what the closet looks like. It does have a wire rack shelf. And the engineered hardwood continues. Let's take a walk into the Florida room. This is a temperature controlled Florida room. You do see the engineered hardwood floors continuing in here. This room does face west. It is nice and bright. Very large windows. Off the Florida room, you do see a lanai, a screened-in lanai. We will go out there and take a look at that in a minute, friends. Very neutrally decorated home, very clean home. Let's take a walk into the lanai area. There you have the lanai. It is a screened-in lanai. The cement floor is in excellent condition. The ceiling is knocked down texture as well. I will walk into the back of the yard. This lanai does face west. To give you an idea, friends, let's take a walk to the backyard. Here we are in the backyard. This home is on a very large corner lot. And we'll walk to the corner of the lot. That is facing south, friends. That is your home, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood-framed home. And most of the mechanicals are relatively new. Please check with your specification sheet or contact the listing agent, Chris Day, if you have any questions about this home. Let's take a walk now, friends, back into the home and out the front door of this home. And I'll give you one last panoramic view. This home is located in the village of Alhambra, in the Villages, Florida. You can just get an idea standing here in the Florida room, looking out into that living and dining area. Turning left, that is your kitchen area. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I will now walk out into the street. Here we are back into the screened-in front porch or lanai area. That is your really large corner lot. Very large corner lot, friends. Let's walk to the street. I do appreciate it. That is your home, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, ranch-style home located here in the village of Alhambra, in the Villages, Florida. List price $349,900. Take care, everyone. Have a great week. Thank you for taking this home tour with me here in the village of Alhambra in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home. Have a great week, everyone.